features of this washer include it has the washing side and the spinning side. When you use the spinning, you have to include the, on top of your laundry, you'll put the spin guard, so you just put it level. The timer feature for the wash and the spin, and then the nozzle here controls how, if you're draining normal or a gentle wash. The water inlet for the washer side and the water inlet for the spinning side. You can move the hose between the two sides based on what part of the laundry you're doing. The hose that came with the washer was too short for our needs, so we got a 3-way adapter for the shower and just found a tube with the same diameter at a local hardware store. Goes in, add water, the fill line here.
You can put it there or there.
Hi.
There's some
Down here, there's, you can see where it's, you probably can't see in the video, but here it says medium.
Here's the
And high here. It's washing pretty good here. I'll do a quick peek inside. It'll kind of splash around, but you can see what it does. Okay, now they're done washing. You can see just how clean they got by how dirty the water is. And we'll turn the switch to drain.
Then
Drain out here in the tub. Once the clothes are drained, you just put about half of them in the spin basket. Put the stopper on top, make sure it's nice and flat. Close that up. Put the drain, we'll just do like a 2-minute spin. It's got a big towel in it, so we'll set it for a second. Let it spin for 2 minutes. After the 2-minute spin, they come out fairly dry. We'll set this aside, do the other half, and then do the rinse. Then for the rinse, when you've got it all back from the spinner back into the wash basket, you're gonna put it back on normal so you don't undrain. You start your water, you'll just fill it up, run it for about a 3-minute cycle. You can see here I have the hose going on the water inlet of the spin side, and we'll just spin water through it for a minute to make sure they're nice and rinsed really good. The leaking here is not the fault of that, that's just my poor connection. And it just leaks right back into it, so it's not too big of a deal. So we spun it for the first of the 5 minutes with water running, and then just turned off the water and disconnected that. Just let it spin for the rest of the time, and it'll come out nice and clean and pretty dry, and just let it air dry the rest of the way.